Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm sharing with you two brief clips focusing on forex pairs, taken from a 67 minutes video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I've got a long list of markets, and you will see me introducing them. There are still a lot of opportunities for immediate involvement, immediate taking in the markets. There are some that are building a base for extended move that is likely to be triggered within a week or two, but my video will prepare you for that. If you like further information about my service, please stay on after the clip's end. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, have a great week and good watching. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This past week we have seen the dollar holding ground, and moreover it managed to rally and close above an important support level, and I'll be examining many forex pairs in this video to try to gauge whether we are really dealing with a new trend in the dollar, the US dollar, and how that is going to impact all the related markets, not just in forex. And here's a long list of charts I've prepared for this video. I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the euro Chinese yuan, and then the euro Singapore dollar, the euro Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, British pound US dollar Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Canadian dollar, US dollar South African rand, Australian dollar US dollar, Australian dollar euro, and then we'll have a look at the metals: gold, silver, platinum, and then oil, that's light crude, Brent crude, heating oil, the euro bond, USD bond, the S&P 500, the S&P 400, the DAX, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the Nikkei. Okay, let's have a look at the euro Chinese yuan. Now I know not many of you are going to trade this. The reason why I bring it up here, I want to build up, if you like, a big picture insight. And that's why you're going to see several forex pairs that are not something I follow every day, but nevertheless can help us to assess the stage at which the euro is currently. And that is the weekly going back into 2003, and you can see that we had a huge build up here of a triangle, and basically the euro crashed through major support right here at 8.5, crashed even further under this support, attempted a rally, was stopped by the 8.5 level, and the entire price action here can be well taken as 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'll have to open it further here. So that'll be 1, that's 2, down in the third. You see my arrows, they do not date from today, and I frankly don't remember when I put them, but I think that they probably last time I covered this forex pair, even before that, but the arrows here were indicating an ABC rally, and I think that the ABC rally is likely over. So my interpretation now on this one is calling for a break at least towards 8. Take a look at the daily, and the similarity with the euro chart, and later on you will see with several other charts, must be really striking. Try to keep this pattern in mind. You see, that's our third, that's an A, that's a B, that's a C, and you can see the slump recently. You can see the break down this level. This is pretty convincing that there is further downside coming. Okay, that's the euro Singapore dollar. Again, one of those forex pairs that I don't follow very often, but I think we have a lesson here from the price action recently. We have also a message that I think is worth hitting. That's the weekly now going back to 1998, but we can focus on what happened since here. It appears to me that we have 5 legs in process here, huge 5 legs. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and down it goes in the 5th, in a huge 5th. We had an attempt to hold ground from the support that is coming here. You can see it rallied, but the line from the top pushed it, overhead resistance too strong, and in fact this market again reversed down. And I'm going to, and you can see here the weekly again, and you can see the line controlling the price action basically, and you can see the overhead resistance pushing it down, and that's the weekly scale telling us most likely further downside is coming. Here you are. You can see we even had a head and shoulders here with a neckline busted here, and this is a convincing price action to suggest we are heading at least for the floor here. And again, this is all reflecting the same pattern that you have seen in the Euro-US dollar. And here's the welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but from time to time I do make some comments. I've got 3 articles here that I've written. You may like to take a look. Here's testimonial submitted by an active trader that is using my service. There are more testimonials right here. I have an affiliate program. You are most welcome to join. You don't have to be a subscriber. Links to my videos speaks for itself, but I do have a new YouTube channel that actually covers the recent videos. I haven't had a chance to actually update that, and it also includes a video explaining about a weekend product. So if you are searching for that new YouTube channel, please type EW Practitioner, EW Practitioner in one word when you go on YouTube, and that takes you to the channel and you will see all the videos. RN Elliott, that's a section where you can download a full-scale book. I suggest you do that if you're interested seriously in learning about the wave principle. That is an excellent first step. Private policy, terms of use, these are standard categories. Why join? Read that to see in which ways I think I can help traders at different levels. Subscribe here. That's where you take practical steps to subscribe to my service. I have 3 ways in which you can use my service. You can either take an introductory offer, which is just 1 week. It is a one-off, meaning you can't use it repeatedly. You can use it one time. It's only $9.99. It gives you access for 7 videos. Today's video, plus the chart, plus every single video that I'll record in the coming week, and the charts. And after 1 week, you make up your mind. You want to continue. You use the other, any of the other options. The second option is a weekend product where I allow you to access the weekend videos plus the charts, and that is priced substantially below the normal product, which is really directed at very intensive traders, people who can watch the market every day and can make use, can actually digest all that information that is being churned by the market every single day. And the third product is the full product that costs €79 only per month. That gives you access to a lot of information, a lot of setups that are run through every single day, and basically keeps you really in fully informed about the many various markets that I cover. I'm also open to some suggestions. If you come on board on the full product or any other products, please feel free to ask me if there is a specific market that you'd like me to cover. I can't promise that I'll cover it every day. I'll do my best to cover it from time to time, or at least have a good look at it. That's contact us if you have any problem whatsoever. Get in touch with me. I'm here to help. Tell a friend. Spread the word. By all means, I would appreciate a helping hand. Downloads. That way you can download charts that I put in the public area. You can see the kind of work that I do. Recommended reading list. Go ahead. They are fairly. It's not as extensive as I would have wished to put here. I just don't have enough time to update it. I have many more books that I would like to put. I need more time to go through that, but there are quite a lot of books here, and also some links to download the full-scale books. So go ahead and take a look. Frequently asked questions. That's where you really have to come back to this. If you decided to subscribe, that will help you to find where to find past videos, past charts, etc. Useful links speaks for itself, and that's about it. So I hope to hear from you, hope to see you on my website, exploring a bit what's going on, and get in touch with me. The slightest question you have, whatever crosses your mind, I'll be glad to help. Wishing you successful trading. Have a great week. Bye now.